In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Steam Wallet to GCash 2025. Let's set expectations right away so you don't waste time or risk your account. Steam Wallet funds are locked to the Steam ecosystem. That means you cannot directly move money from your Steam Wallet to your GCash account or withdraw it as real cash using any official Steam feature. Steam treats wallet balances like store credit for games, DLCs, and in-game items, not as cash you can cash out. So what can you do? There are a couple of alternative paths depending on your goal. If your aim is to avoid getting stuck with funds in the future, the most reliable approach is to keep your transactions flowing from GCash into Steam rather than the other way around. Inside GCash, look for game credits or vouchers and purchase Steam wallet codes using your GCash balance. You'll receive a code you can redeem on Steam to add funds to your wallet. This doesn't transfer money out of Steam, but it's a great way to top up safely, control your spending, and make sure your budget lives where you actually intend to use it. When redeeming, double check your region, currency, and the code's validity, and keep your purchase receipts until the funds appear in your Steam wallet. If your goal is to convert some of your Steam value back into money you can use elsewhere, proceed very carefully. Some people sell tradable in-game items on third-party marketplaces that pay out through methods you can later route to GCash, depending on the service. Understand the risks. Steam's own community market only pays in Steam wallet funds, which keeps you inside Steam. External markets, on the other hand, vary widely in legitimacy, may have fees, processing times, and regional restrictions, and using them can violate game or platform rules. If you consider this route, research the marketplace's reputation, read its fees and payout options, enable Steam Guard, never share your login or codes, and avoid offers that look too good to be true. Only use services that clearly support a withdrawal method you can bridge into GCash, and be prepared for identity verification and transfer limits. To recap, there's no direct transfer from Steam Wallet to GCash. Your safest options are to use Steam funds for Steam purchases, plan ahead by buying Steam Wallet codes with GCash when you need them, or if you must liquidate value, evaluate third-party item sales with extreme caution and awareness of policies and risk. Stay safe, double-check every transaction, and keep your account secure.